Let's have a closer view at this product in closer detail. Here's a 3-tier wooden end table shelf with the matte black metal frame. In this video, we're going to go over a closer view, the features, the height reference, and also what helped me. Here are multiple views. The simulated rustic wood is made of high-grade particleboard and also water resistant. It's available in multiple colors and it's easy to clean. You can reference my knees for height. Here I'm indicating where the screws are for assembly with solid bolt construction. It's lightweight, less than 11 pounds. Overall dimensions is almost 23 inches tall by a little over 13 inches wide, almost 12 inches deep. Here's what's helped me. I like that it came with easy instructions and the parts are labeled for easy assembly. Not only is it pleasing to the eye, but it keeps me organized and tidy around the house. And last, it has adjustable protective feet. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.